Welcome to the Virtues Project Affiliate website overview. Thank you for signing up for the Virtues Project Affiliate program. We are excited that you have joined the Virtues Project International community of affiliates. Hopefully, you have had a chance to read through the guide, and we honor your purposefulness watching this video so that you will be empowered to set up your own site with excellence, ease, and grace. Once you receive your email confirming your status, you will want to go to the Virtues shop as you see here and then log in as you normally would if you were going to make a purchase. I'm going to log in now. So I type in my username and I type in my password just as you normally would do and press login. Now you'll see under the login menu that it says account maintenance. When I click on account maintenance, it will take us to a back office of sorts. I'm going to click on Virtues Project Affiliate. Here is your Virtues Project Affiliate website maintenance page. I'm going to give you a grand overview and then go detail by detail through all of the different options. The first thing that's most important is the save features. Once you've made a change, you want to click on Save All. And you'll notice that once you've saved, you'll get a message that says, "Thank you, your changes have been saved." You can click here to see your website in a new window. I'll do that now. Here's my website, but in order to get back to the maintenance page, I need to quit out of here so that I can see my maintenance page. There are two places where you can save all, to the right and at the bottom. Next is the exit. If you want to click out, you click on the exit. If you happen to press the exit button before you've saved, your changes will not be saved. Now over here there's a little bit of help. So there's the affiliate website guide, the website setup video, which you're watching now, sample affiliate websites, and a troubleshooting menu. If you click on troubleshooting, you'll notice that another form comes up. This will give you some tips of those people who maybe have run into some difficulties and they have been resolved. You need to click close in order to access the maintenance page again. Now, the first thing that you'll notice also to be of help to you are these little eyes. If you place your cursor over the eyes, these are going to give you some information that will help you. So this is basically your help menu. You can also get help throughout when you're within the different fields. So notice now if I'm not sure about what I need to do here, I click on the eye and it opens up another window for me. The first thing to be aware of is your commission link. This is a unique ID, and every time someone visits your website, when they click on something to purchase, if they do make a purchase, you will automatically be credited. You can also copy and paste this URL and put it into your email address or into another website. Feel free to use it as many places as you want. Once people do click here, then again, when they go shopping, you'll get credit for it. Moving down, you're going to see your Virtues Project website subdomain name. This is important that you think about choosing your subdomain name, probably your last name. For demonstration purposes, I'm demo here. Once you select your subdomain name, it cannot be changed. Please be mindful that it must be at least 3 characters long and no longer than 44 characters. Also, there are no spaces in your subdomain name. You can use uppercase, lowercase letters, as well as numbers and a hyphen, but that's all. Again, once you've selected your subdomain name, it cannot be changed. That will be part of your Virtues Project affiliate web address. So for example, this website would now be called demo.virtuesproject.com. Moving down, your full name as displayed on your website. Here, as you noticed, you can have spaces. You have up to 50 characters, and you can call it whatever you want to. I'm going to just type in my name right now. and click Enter. Now, in order for it to be saved, remember I have to click Save All. This can be changed anytime you want to. So if you want to name this the same as the business that you currently have, or the name of your Virtues Connection, if this is a Virtues Connection, then here's where you add that in your name field. Moving down, you'll notice that we have 4 drop-down menus: the contact fields, personal page field, calendar page fields, and menu link fields. I'm going to click on the contact field. Here is all of your personal information. So think about the name that wants to be visible under Contact Us, as well as your address. If you don't wish to have an address, you can keep this field blank. That's okay. If you have several or 2 different email addresses, you can put 2 different email addresses. I'll add my other email address right now. If you only have one, you can always delete and just have one showing. Again, here's your phone number. Gives you an option for a second phone number, your fax, and if you happen to have additional websites, you can put additional websites here. And notice you only have 67 characters. Once you're done, you can close the contact fields page. Next, we're going to go down to the personal page. Here you have several different options. The first option is whether or not you want your home page to show first or your personal page first. And let me show you what that means. I'm going to click Save All, and then I'm going to click here to view my website. Because I have my personal page showing, this is what comes up first, not the Virtues Project home page. I'm going to click out of here, go back to the personal page, and if I click on home page first now, again remembering to save, when I go visit my website, you'll notice that it now looks like the Virtues Project homepage, with the exception that down at the bottom there is a link to my page, and once my page comes up, I have links to my testimonials and whatever other URLs I've added, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So next on the personal page, you can also change your photo. I'm going to click on Upload a New Picture. I'm going to choose a file. I'm going to go to my Headshots folder and see if I can find that on my Mac. And now I'm going to upload a black and white picture of me. When I click on Replace Picture, notice what happens. Oh man, I got an error message. It says that my picture file is too big for me to choose a file that's less than 250 kilobytes. And that's important for us to remember. So I now get to go down to my personal page again. I click on Upload New Picture, and this time I'm going to choose a low-res picture. When I click on Open and Replace Picture, you'll see in a moment that now, when I save and I go back to check it out, it has indeed changed my picture. And so there's my new picture. Okay, quitting back out and going back down to my personal page. Some other things that I can do. I can change my personal text here. So notice this very light blue space compared to the white. This is how much space we have across on your actual website. And below your testimonials is just a little bit less. We have many different edit features, the usual ones that you would see in Word, and something to make it a lot easier. So if you're going to copy and paste from Word, click on this icon and it will allow you to keep the formatting. You can also change the color. So let me just highlight my name, click over here. I'm going to change it to my favorite color of purple. You'll notice that it changes. I can also highlight my text. I can also add a picture. Now, if I want to include a URL, if I highlight the words and then I go here to the Insert Edit Link, here I can type in a website address. I want it to open up in a new window and I must click Insert. Once I do that, ooh, okay, yeah. Once I do that, you'll notice that now there's an active link. When I go back to Save All and I go to view my website, what will happen is I will now have an actual link. And let me click here and it should take me to my Gifts of Character site. So I encourage you to use this feature to include movies of yourself or links to anything else. Here's a link I have to the Power of Language video that I created. You can also insert an image. However, the image must be already on the internet. You can't just insert an image from your computer unless it's your photo. Here's a really handy help menu. If you click on Help with the Toolbars button, here you have all the information on how to edit everything. So don't feel like you needed to get everything that I'm saying, because I know that I'm talking very quickly, but here are links to the specific directions. I'm now going to click out of here. This will take us back down, and now we're going to go to our testimonials page. Here on your testimonials page, there's all the same kind of editing buttons, and we encourage you to put in your testimonials. Again, you can also include videos if you wanted to. All right, so I'm going to close up here, and this is everything on the personal page fields. I'm going to go down to the calendar page fields. So here again, same types of menuing bar. And if you know that you're not going to be doing a workshop, that you don't have one scheduled, you can put a generic message here. Again, you can put your contact information. If you notice right here, it has the Global Mentorship. This comes directly from the Virtues Project calendar. If you are going to put an event on the Virtues Project calendar, you must name it with your last name, just as you did when you were going to put your subdomain name. If your subdomain name and the last name of your PDF that you're going to upload to be able to have your information on the calendar match, it will automatically come up on your personal calendar page. So let me show you what that looks like. If I go again to view our website, I'm going to go up to, again, my page, and now we should be in my calendar. When I click here, you're going to see, here's my information, and now we have the Global Mentorship that comes directly from the calendar. You can see I've also added a client list, and I think that that's good for credibility. Feel free to add that or not, but you have more information under Calendar More, and that's what I chose to do, was to add a calendar list. All right, moving on, we now have added a great new feature where you can have 3 separate links. I have my Heart of Education blog and Gifts of Character. I could also add, let's say, Facebook. So if I wanted to add my Facebook page, oops, a little typo, this is what my people would see, but I would actually have to have the URL that takes me to my Facebook page. All right, this is just going to take us to the regular Facebook, but you'll see what I mean in a moment. When I click on Save All, and now I go back to my website, and I click on Dara, you're going to see those 3 unique URLs that I've added at the bottom. Here's my Heart of Education blog, my Gifts of Character page, my Facebook page, as well as my personal testimonials. Okay, so I'm going to click back out. And basically, this is a really quick overview of all of the new cool features that we have created for you on the Affiliate Website Program. Once you're done, remember, save all. You're going to exit out. And once you exit out, you'll see that you're in your login area. Again, make sure that you log out.